Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another image in Snapseed. If you don't know how to add multiple images, I'm going to show you an easy process to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now here, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Select the photo. In this section, click on the tools at the bottom menu. Scroll a bit and you'll be able to see double exposure option. Click on it. Now click here to add another image that you want to add to this image. Now choose the image. As you can see, another image is added here. Now you can simply pinch it and adjust its size. And similarly, you can add multiple photos simply by repeating the process. That is, click here and add another photo. And once you are happy with your photo, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we can add another image in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.